Picturesque pine trees, mossy forest, rolling hills, pristine lakes, and the breathtaking sea of clouds. This is the Mount Pulag protected landscape. Breathe in the cool and fresh mountain air and appreciate the natural wonders this protected landscape offers. Mount Pulag is the highest peak in Luzon and third highest mountain in the Philippines, with an elevation of 2,926 meters above sea level. In addition to its natural beauty, the Mount Pulag protected landscape is also known for its cultural significance. It is considered sacred by several indigenous peoples, including the Ibaloy, Kalanguya, and Kankanaey. They have lived in the area for generations and have a deep cultural connection to the land and its natural resources.
So there are 5 municipalities affected by the extent of Mount Pulag. And of course, the significance is, first, it is a sacred area, okay? Particularly the Ibaloys and the Kalanguyas. Ganyan. Of course, a source of water, okay? Because of the presence of various springs in the area, and the unique landscape of the area.
The Mount Pulag protected landscape covers approximately 11,550 hectares of public domain. That comprises the north and south spine of the Gran Cordillera Central. It straddles the municipalities of Cabayan, Bukod and Bugyas in the province of Benguet, the municipality of Tinok in the province of Ifugao, and the municipality of Cayapa in the province of Nueva Vizcaya. First proclaimed a national park in 1987, it was declared a protected area in April 2022 by Republic Act 11685 in recognition of the richness of its biological resources. It is one of the country's 18 sites identified as ecosystems and habitats containing high plant diversity, with around 528 species of flora, of which 224 species were identified as endemic to the area. Its unique ecosystem and challenging trails make it a prime destination for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the most popular trails on Mount Pulag is the Ambangag Trail, which is rated moderate in difficulty. Ecotourism is vital to ensuring the continuity of the area's sustainable management and protection.
Dito sa Kabayan, yung mga locals dito, pinapangalagaan din nila ang Mount Pulag since ito ang source ng kanilang livelihood bilang mga tour guides, mga porters at yung mga owners ng inn or mga homestay dito. Sila mismo tumutulong sa pangangalaga by not converting all the mountains into agricultural. But most of them, preserve nila yung Mount Pulag kasi yun ang pinaka-source ng income nila.
The trek to Mount Pulag starts at the pine forest, where you will be greeted by towering pine trees, rolling hills, and verdant mountain scenery. Soon, the trail transforms into what the hikers often call the enchanted mossy forest of Mount Pulag. The mossy forest features dense stands of small, irregularly shaped trees that are covered with mosses, lichens, ferns, and orchids.
Before reaching the campsite is a mossy forest. Okay? When you walk the trail, you are walking inside a mossy forest, and mossy forest is very, very, very important. Okay? That is the remaining area, okay, to be preserved because those are century old or even more. Okay? Na yung mga forest na nakikita natin doon. And that is very rich in biodiversity. Okay? Flora and fauna are present there. Okay? And therefore, they should not be converted into gardens.
Like many protected areas, the Mount Pulag protected landscape faces a number of threats, including land conversion and habitat destruction. Climate change is another major threat, as it can lead to changes in weather patterns that can adversely impact biodiversity and spark forest fires.
Ang negative effect naman ng climate change sa Mount Pulag, yung vulnerable sa fire, bushfire. Okay? Oo, kasi siyempre magdra-dry yung mga grasses. And of course, yung mga gardeners, when they prepare their field, okay, maglilinis yung mga vegetable waste, okay, kahit sabihan mo na bawal lang magsunog, andun pa rin, once na hindi na-manage yung ano nila, because of climate change, global warming, iinit yung ano, mas madaling kumalat yung fire.
Efforts are being made by the DENR in cooperation with the local government units and local organizations to address these threats and protect the area. These efforts include biodiversity monitoring, forest patrolling, information, education, and communication campaigns in the communities, and strict implementation of registration and orientation of visitors prior to entering the protected area.
For us to be able to protect Mount Pulag, of course, we have to join the orientations at the Protected Area Management Office. We have to listen to pasumiring and then iwasan nating magkalat, iwasan nating magsunog or manigarilyo. That is a big no-no sana dito sa Mount Pulag.
Protect the Mount Pulag because this is our pride, okay, in the Cordillera, okay? Being the third highest mountain in the Philippines, because of its significance to the Cordillera and the nearby regions. So whatever we do here will greatly affect them down there, okay? To situate that there will be no further land conversion within their barangay. This is already of international concern, okay? Many tourists, okay, coming in the Mount Pulag to enjoy and visit and enjoy our culture and experience how we preserve the area using indigenous practice. Please help by not destroying Mount Pulag. Instead, help in conserving and improving the ecological health of our Mount Pulag.
By protecting Mount Pulag, we are also making sure that its wide array of biodiversity survives and thrives. By preserving this unique natural heritage, we can help ensure that it remains a valuable resource for generations to come.